Hey there, wellness warriors. My name is Michael. I'm a weight loss consultant here at Zoe Wellness Center. Today, what if I told you that you could lose a pound of fat a day completely naturally? Or what if I told you it could happen without spending hours at the gym? No treadmills, no aching muscles, no complicated routines. At Zoe Wellness, we've developed an approach that works by improving your body's natural processes instead of forcing it to change through grueling exercise routines. So let's address the elephant in the room. How does weight loss work without exercise? See, it's the question I hear every single day. The Zoe method works by shifting your body into what we call the fat burning stage. Through our carefully balanced combination of dosage supplements, a gentle week-long detox, and a thoughtfully designed food list, we create the perfect environment for your body to use its own fat as energy. Our program works on 3 key principles. The first, we begin with a rejuvenating week-long detox that resets your system. Yes, this creates a caloric deficit, but it's so much more than just eating less. It's about cleansing your body of toxins that might be preventing efficient fat burning. Second, we focus on nutrient-dense foods that support your metabolism and overall health. Our carefully curated food list isn't about deprivation. It's about giving your body exactly what it needs to thrive while shedding unwanted pounds. And third, this one surprises most people, we prioritize rest and recovery. In our fast-paced world, we constantly are told to push harder, do more, go faster. But sometimes your body needs permission to slow down, to actually speed up your results. Here's the surprising part. Intense exercise can actually disrupt this delicate balance. When you work out hard during our program, your body diverts that precious energy to muscle recovery instead of fat burning. Are you ready to experience the Zoe difference? Visit our website or call the number on your screen to schedule your free consultation.